Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kileni and welcome back to another video. Is that a plane? For today's video, I am excited, but I am also super nervous because I have never done anything like this. Like, I'm not like a DIY type of girl, really, but I am super excited. I saw this trend going on TikTok. And obviously by the title of the video, you guys already know what I'm getting myself into. But I am super excited to do this DIY. It was a task for me to find. Let's just get into it. Let me just show you guys, okay? So today I'm gonna be doing that little set, like the joggers, the sweatsuit set. That's like bleached style, tie-dye type of vibe. And the only thing that you guys will need is obviously your sweatshirt and your sweatpants. I got these from Walmart and they were super cheap. They were like $6.95, $6.99, so $7 each, like literally $15 for both. But to find them though, is the problem, because I believe these are like men's size, and I got the sweater in a size extra large because I really wanted like the super baggy, like obviously I like super baggy sweatshirts, and this is actually like a little bit bigger than the one I have right now. So this one I can actually wear kind of like a sweatshirt dress kind of thing, so I actually love it. So it's really big. And then the pants I got in a size medium. I obviously could have gone with a size small, but just to find this pair I went to 4 Walmarts. Literally, on the last Walmart that I went to, I was like, if I don't find it here, I actually do have a black sweatpants that I literally just bought, but I bought them from Boohoo, so they were a little bit more expensive. They were like $15 or something, so I didn't want to ruin them because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this right. But on my last Walmart, I found this one. This is a size medium, still nice, but I literally could have gone with a size small. But yeah, so if you guys do find this sweats in your nearby Walmart, then totally grab it. But yeah, this is what I'm going to be using for my DIY moment. And then you're also going to need some rubber bands, and you're going to need your Clorox. So I am also using this little like spray container because I'm going to put my Clorox in here because I think it's going to be a little bit easier that way for me to just like manage it wise. And then also I am using some gloves because we are using Clorox, and I just don't want to, just in case I do have like some press-on nails, I don't want to ruin them. So yeah, I'm going to be using some gloves. All right, so I brought you guys a little bit lower because I want you guys to see like how I'm going to be just pretty much crunching this up together. Again, I am super nervous because this is my first time doing this, but I think it'll be a little bit easier for me if I go like section by section. Start with the arm. I'm going to start scrunching them up, and then I'm going to take my rubber band come on. Okay, do the same thing on this side. I'm gonna put one alongside. I'm gonna take the other arm and do the same thing. Did you guys just see that? My nail went flying. What the hell? These are some press-on nails, by the way, but whatever. All right, and then now I am going to do the middle part. And now I'm just gonna try to like scrunch it together and connect them. I really hope that this is okay, you guys. Okay, so this is what I have. And now I'm going to do the pants, and I'm gonna do the same thing, just the scrunch method. I'm gonna put the pants like that. I'm gonna start with one leg. And I'm gonna start scrunching them up. Okay, and now this is what they look like. They look so crazy, but this is what they look like. So now we're gonna go spray the Clorox. So I would recommend that you guys actually go outside for the bleaching method, just because it is bleach and you know you want to be careful. I'm wearing my gloves. I put a little plastic bag here at the bottom, and I am just going, like I said, I put the Clorox on the little spraying bottle, and I am just going to start spraying. Ooh, I'm really scared. Okay. Come on. You want to try to get in there as well. And you only want to leave this for like 8 to 10 minutes because Clorox can go through cotton. So this is what it looks like now. And I'm gonna now do the other one. Alright, so now I'm gonna wait 8 to 10 minutes to take all the bleach out, and then I'll show you guys what the next step is. Okay, so I am now in my shower, and I am going to pretty much just run it out underwater. I have heard that while it's running underwater, it kind of gives you like an orangey water, so you want to wait until all that goes away. Okay, so now that I have the clothes inside of the washer, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a quick wash. I have some Downy over here and my wash thingy right here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, turn it on. Oh my god, what was that? That was so loud. And I think I'm gonna give it like a speed wash. Warm. Maybe like 25 minutes and go. Okay, you guys, so this is what the set ended up looking like. I actually love it. I'm obsessed with it. I might just do this again. For real, it came out so good. It's looking like a set that I actually saw online, and it was like $60. And this was only $15, girl. $15. I love it. It looks so good everywhere. Obviously, the legs are not completely the same. Like this one has a little bit more black than the other one, but they're not supposed to look identical. Like that's the whole point. So I actually really like it. It's so baggy, so comfy, so good. My mom actually literally said, "Oh my god, make me one." She really liked it. Woo, I love it. Yes. But you guys, this is the end of the video. I really hope that you guys enjoy this little DIY moment. Like, this is not what I usually do, but I'm actually like I might just found like a new hobby for me to do. I absolutely loved it. It was so much fun. It was kind of hectic because I didn't know if I was doing it right, and I kind of messed up in a little bit of, I feel like I messed up a little bit, but it's like, you know, my first time ever doing this kind of like DIY, so I feel like I'm just gonna get better with it. But yeah, if you guys enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn those bell notifications on so you guys are notified whenever I upload a video. Make sure that you guys make sure that you guys come and follow me on my Instagram. My name is Kileni K. I'm gonna post a little, you know, a little like nice picture with these joggers because I just, oh my god, I'm obsessed. And yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.